Throughout my life, I never once thought that I would become the person I am today. In this world, may mga taong ipinanganak na madaldal. May mga taong kayang makipagkwentuhan kahit kanino. May mga taong tulad ko, na mas maraming iniisip kaysa sinasabi. Yung tipong introvert energy boy. Seriously, no joke. Totoo. Hindi naman ako galit sa mundo. Hindi rin naman ako mahihain ng bata ko. Siguro, unti-unti lang ako nasanay. Nasanay na walang tatanong kung kamusta ako. Nasanay na walang kausap. Siguro doon nagsimula. Hindi ko namalayan, lumaki na pala ako ng tahimik.
Natawag ka na pala. How's your day, Gab?
Okay lang.
Did you make any friends?
My ate has always been supportive to me. She always see me through my lonely days. And I will always be thankful to her for being there. But same as always, no change. I was always like this. Na para bang bata pa rin ako. At ang salitang alam ko lang sabihin ay okay lang. But what I didn't know was that everything was about to change.
Pre, ayos ba yun, bro? Oo. Pwede bang mayroong pagtapos?
Well, this is awkward as hell. It is Noah, classmate of mine. So cheerful, that is why I do not like him. Or maybe it's the fact that ayoko lang sa mga noisy people. But you know what's funny? Hindi niya ako pinilit pagsalita. Hindi niya ako kinulit. Hindi niya ako inusgahan. Pero araw-araw, bumabalik siya.
Morning, bro!
Morning. That's it. Little conversation, nothing dramatic.
Kain ka na?
Is this exactly how friendships happen? From time to time, yun lang ang nangyayari.
Uy, tara, kape! Uy!
He always made the effort to greet me, to ask me how I was, and I slowly responded back, without even realizing it.
Ingat!
I was changing.
Uy, sama tayo mag-ingat pa niya.
No!
Ayaw niyo ba?
Wait lang, guys, ha?
Kaarte mo naman. Kaya nga, napaka-arte mo. Spoiled
Wait,
ka
bro!
ba?
Bro, tama sa amin. Tumulong ka sa dinapter. Hindi ako marunong mag-usap, eh.
Si Sir nga.
Ako bahala!
Sir, tulungan nga.
Okay, tara!
Wait, is that girl crying? Should I go and comfort her or not? Okay, Gab, you can do this.
Dare I ask, are you alright?
Are you okay?
Well, you certainly look like a mess.
That, you're not. Thank you. No one has ever talked to me, nor has anyone asked me whether I'm alright with you. I'm Jazz, by the way.
Gabriel, pleasure to meet you. Doc, where are you?
At doon ko naisip, hindi naman pala kailangan magaling kang magsalita para maramdaman ng iba na kasama sila.
Volunteer din ba yun? Pakiramdam ko, oo eh. Tara, kaya natin. Hi, Gabriel. Hi, I'm Tyron. Volunteer ka ba dito?
He's just like me. Yung dating ako ha.
Okay lang yan. Ganyan din kami noon. Ay, hindi ka. Papakilala ko sa'yo. Hindi ka. Guys, meron tayong new volunteer. Magpakilala ka.
I'm Luis Garcia po.
Dati, akala ko ang communication ay para lang sa mga taong magagaling magsalita. Pero habang tumatagal, mas naiintindihan kong hindi pala ito tungkol sa dami ng salita. It's about the people who opened the door for me to learn how to speak and to connect with others. And now, I want to be that person for someone else. Because just like a helix, communication never stops growing.
As Gabriel's older sister, I watched him grow from someone who barely spoke to someone who now helps others find courage to speak.
His journey perfectly reflects Dan Heltel's model of communication. It teaches us that communication is a continuous process. It grows through every experiences and every interaction we have. Throughout the journey, we can see the elements of communication: the sender, the receiver, the message, and the feedback. Each conversation becomes another step in Gabby's growth. At first, his biggest barriers were fear, self-doubt, and the lack of confidence to connect with others. But because of the kindness, patience, and encouragement he received, he slowly learned to open up. Our film shows that communication is more than just words. Sometimes a smile, a simple greeting, a listening ear, or even a silent companion can speak louder than a long conversation.
In the end, Gabby didn't change because of one moment. He changed because every experiences become part of who he is today.
Now we know the dance technical model of communication.
And always remember,
Communicate like a helix.